Searching for the best bacon cooker for your oven? Everything looks the same. Same stainless steel racks, same non-stick claims, same crispy bacon guaranteed promises. But here's the thing. Most of them fail where it actually matters, like grease drainage, warping under heat, or actually fitting in your oven. So today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually work.
Product number 1, Ratte Baking Sheet and Rack Set. Let's start with the Ratte Baking Sheet with Rack Set. This isn't just another cookie sheet, it's a full 4-piece combo. 2 16 by 12-inch pans and 2 matching wire racks. What stood out immediately was the corrugated surface on the pan bottom. That's not just for looks. It helps airflow underneath the bacon so it cooks more evenly and doesn't sit in its own grease. And because it's made of solid stainless steel with no chemical coatings, you're not risking any weird fumes when you crank up the heat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever pulled out bacon that's soggy in the middle or stuck to the pan, this design fixes both. The raised rack lets fat drip away, and the dense wire grid keeps thin strips from falling through. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and warp resistant, even at high temps. With over 4,000 bought last month, people are clearly trusting this setup for more than just bacon. Now, some people might complain that the rack sits a little loose in the pan. It's not welded, so it can shift if you're not careful when pulling it out of the oven. Here's the thing though, that actually makes it easier to clean and store separately. It's a trade-off, but not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a heavy-duty, multi-use set that handles bacon, cookies, roasts, and more. Skip this one if you only cook bacon once in a while and don't want extra pans taking up space. At $34, it's a solid investment for serious home cooks. Product number 2, Lehman 10 by 15 cooling racks come in. All right, that was a full set, but what if you already have sheet pans and just need a reliable rack? That's where the Lehman 10 by 15 cooling racks come in. You get 2 sturdy wire racks designed to fit standard jelly roll pans. Perfect for bacon. What caught my eye was the 575-degree heat resistance. That means you can confidently roast, grill, or bake without worrying about warping or melting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These racks have integrated support feet, 4 solid legs that keep everything stable and elevate the bacon so grease drains freely. No more flipping halfway through or dealing with uneven crispiness. And because they're made from smooth, uncoated stainless steel, there's no risk of coating flaking off into your food. Over 4,000 sold last month shows people are using these for everything from bacon to roasted veggies. Now, the downside. These racks don't come with pans. So if you don't already own compatible baking sheets, you'll need to buy those separately. Also, at 10 by 15 inches, they're a bit smaller than full-size sheets, so you'll cook fewer strips at once. This is perfect for you if you already have sheet pans and want an affordable high-heat rack upgrade. Skip this one if you're starting from scratch and want an all-in-one solution. At just $10, it's a steal for the quality. Product number 3, CEK quarter sheet pan set. Now, if the full-size Ratte set felt too big, the CEK quarter sheet pan set might be your sweet spot. It includes 2 12.6 by 9.8 inch pans and 2 matching racks. Compact but powerful. What stood out was the commercial-grade stainless steel construction. No coatings, no rust, and it heats up evenly, which means no hot spots burning your bacon edges. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Smaller households or apartments will appreciate the space-saving design. These fit easily in toaster ovens and smaller convection ovens, something full sheets can't do. The racks sit snugly inside, and the rolled edges make them comfortable to handle, even with oven mitts. Over 1,000 bought last month shows it's gaining traction among practical cooks. Now, the flaw, the smaller size means you can only cook about 6 to 8 slices at a time. If you're feeding a family or meal prepping, that's going to take multiple batches. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller oven or just cook for 1 to 2 people. Skip this one if you regularly cook large batches. At $28, it's a smart buy for compact kitchens.
Product number 4, Prep Solutions Microwave Bacon Grill. All right, let's switch gears. This one's not for the oven.
The Prep Solutions Microwave Bacon Grill is all about speed and convenience. It's a simple plastic tray with a vented cover that holds 4 to 6 slices upright, letting fat drip away as it cooks in just minutes. What stood out was how clean it keeps your microwave. No splatter, thanks to the lid. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a rush or don't want to heat up the whole oven, this is a game changer. It reduces grease mess and cuts down on cooking time significantly. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and BPA free. Over 1,000 bought last month shows busy people are loving the shortcut. Now, the big downside, it's microwave only. So if you prefer oven-baked bacon for that deep, even crisp, this won't satisfy. Also, plastic can stain over time, even if it's heat resistant. This is perfect for you if you value speed and easy cleanup over traditional texture. Skip this one if you're a bacon purist who wants that slow-roasted crunch. At $24, it's a handy backup, but not a replacement for oven cooking.
Product number 5, Make and Bacon Microwave Dish. Last but not least, the original Make and Bacon microwave dish. This is the OG of microwave bacon cookers. Simple, effective, and made in the USA. It holds strips vertically, so they cook above the fat, not in it, reducing grease by up to 35%. What stood out was how compact and easy it is to store. Just pop it apart and tuck it away. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're health conscious or just hate scrubbing greasy pans, this delivers crispy results with minimal effort. The design controls splatter with just a paper towel, and cleanup is a breeze. Over 1,000 sold last month proves it's still a favorite. Now, the flaw, like the Prep Solutions model, it's microwave only. And because it's molded plastic, some users report it can warp if overheated or stacked while hot. This is perfect for you if you want the fastest, cleanest bacon with the lowest fat content. Skip this one if you don't have a microwave or prefer oven methods. At $21, it's a no-brainer for quick mornings.
So which one's best? For oven lovers, the Rotte set wins for durability and performance. Need just a rack? Go Lehman. Small kitchen? Seeki's quarter set fits perfectly. And if speed matters most, both microwave options deliver. Prep Solutions for larger batches, Make and Bacon for simplicity. No matter your setup, there's a bacon cooker here that actually works. Let me know which one you're grabbing. And if you've tried any of these, drop your experience below.